with Austin Daigle. Okay guys, so I guess I just realized I had my mic off, and so I'm sorry about that. Um, as you can see, we are under a significant we're under a significant weather advisory. This is for Barling, Greenwood, Lavaca, Alma, Mansfield, Mulberry, near Charleston, Hartford, Waldron. This is because we got 50, 55-mile-an-hour winds in front of this line, and we got some very heavy rain, a lot of lightning, and it's just going to be crazy for about 20, 30 minutes or so. So, I apologize for having my microphone off. I did not realize that. And so let's just go to our Skycam. Looks like we've got a shower right now. There will be some showers in front of these, this line. So if you hear shower, it's not the main line. The main line's gonna be way louder than this. So, as you see, rain is now falling on our studio.
Severe weather coverage with Austin Daigle.
This is severe weather coverage. If you're just joining us, we do have significant weather advisories. This is for Barling, Lavaca, Greenwood, Mansfield, Alma. Do be careful. I mean, it's very heavy rain right now, and this is not even the main line. I can't wait to see what the actual line looks like. Jeez. It's probably going to be way heavier. As you can see, it's now tracking down 22. This is Barling, 71. About to move through Hartford. We do have pop-up showers popping up in front of these this line. So if you hear a very heavy shower, that either may be a pop-up shower or the main line, because it's going to be way heavier than what's going right now. Let's see if we can get some of these winds. Looks like we got about 40-mile-an-hour winds at least. We have embedded 40-mile-an-hour winds with this. And my stuff's wanting to lag again. So, we've got a heavy shower over Greenwood. Lavaca, you're about to get in this mess. Barling, you're getting into it. Central City, you're probably seeing the winds of this. Fort Smith, you're done. Literally. Let's go to our Fort. Looks like we've got to slow down on 40. Let's go to our Fort Smith ICAM. As you can see, the rain is about done. It's just light rain now. That's how thin this line is. So literally on the east side of Fort Smith, it is just starting. On the west side, it's done. Very, very thin line. So, it's very, very thin. Let's see here. Looks like we got at least 30, 40, 50-mile-an-hour winds embedded with this. It's about to come through Barling, and I don't know what my computer's wanting to do. Let's see here. If you're just joining us, we have a significant weather advisory for Sebastian County. So this would be the main area of it. So I'm still waiting for this line so I can get some calculate some wind speed. It's very dark. It's getting very dark out there. So I need to get my manometer out. I can see it. I can see the line out there. Let's go to let's go to Skycam. It's about to go through Greenwood too. Jeez, has some winds on it. At least 40. Let's see it. Let's go to Skycam. Yeah, you can see it right there. Let's go back to the weather wall. As you can see, still gonna upload. This is about to move through. Let's see. This is now going through Barling. The winds of this. Jeez. some pixels of 40-mile-an-hour winds. This looks to be moving through This is going to be moving through Greenwood, Fort Chaffee, Lavaca, Washburn, Bloomer, out in the rural areas too. Dayton, Huntington, Abbott, Midland. It's already moving through Midland. It's about done in Hackett and Bonanza. It's already done in Fort Smith. About to be done in Van Buren, Kibler. It's about to be a mess in Kibler. Let's see. Let's go to Skycam real quick. Yeah, you can see where it definitely is. It's right there. If you're just joining us, we're under a significant weather advisory. But you may see some rain in front of it and before the actual main line comes through. Let's see. What does my computer want to do? My computer's wanting to be slow. Oh wow, let's see. Come on. There you go. Look at this. You know, 40-mile-an-hour winds at least. It's going to moving through Greenwood. Now look at this. You can just see where the actual winds are about to shift from the south to the west, and the very heavy rain about to move through Central City and Lavaca right now. Let's go to Skycam. This looks very interesting. Let's go to Skycam real quick. Go to Skycam. You can see it. The shelf. I don't think that's a shelf. You can see the line right there. See how fast the clouds are moving. Let's see. Let's go back. As you can see, it's about to move through Greenwood. Looks like it's going through the west side of Greenwood right now. And let's see. It's about to move through Lavaca. So if you're in Lavaca, go inside, and we're under significant weather advisory. Let's see. And embedded with that, it's about 40-mile-an-hour winds with it. So do be careful. Greenwood about 45, 40-mile-an-hour winds, same thing. Very heavy rain. It's about to move through both Greenwood and Lavaca right now. Huntington to Mansfield. Not as heavy as what Lavaca and Greenwood's about to get. So let's go to our Skycam again. Yeah, you can see it right. You can see it right there. Let's just if we can, let's go to full screen, and then we'll just put the video on it too. If this thing ever loads. I don't know why my computer's wanting to be a butthole this morning. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't know why my computer's wanting to be a butthole. Jeez, what is going on with this thing? Don't know what this thing's deal is. See. Good grief. This is about to move through Greenwood. My computer's wanting to be a butthole right now, so I'm just gonna leave. I'm just gonna leave. Y'all can watch the radar. That's the radar, and that's our sky cam. So I'll just leave it on the radar for just a minute. Go to full screen. If it doesn't go to full screen, oh well. Look at this. Let's go to Skycam right now. Unbelievable. Look at this. This is live look from Skycam as it is reached at least probably 35, 40 mile an hour winds. Look at this. Turn the Skycam if you can. Turn Skycam. There you go. That's a live look from Skycam right now as powerful wind moving through right now. Lightning in bed with this. Let's see. Jeez. That's what Skycam looks like right now. Let's turn it a little bit to the east. Wow. Skycam looks like right now. Let's turn it to the west. Go backwards, monkeys, right now. Let's look at Skycam right now, and looks like Sebastian County, you are now under a severe thunderstorm warning. Let's see. No, it's not Sebastian County. Sorry. This looks to be Scott and Logan County, southern Logan County. You're under a severe thunderstorm warning. I don't know why I got my Scott and Sebastian mixed up. Scott and Logan County are under a severe thunderstorm warning. Let's see. Let's go back to a radar. Let's go to radar as my computer. I don't know what the deal is with my computer. I guess we'll just have to do it like this. Jeez. This is for 60 mile an hour winds. Some strong winds here. This is about to move through Lavaca. As you can see, this is now moving through Lavaca. This has about 45 mile an hour winds on it. Got some strong winds here, Greenwood. Did you see that? Let's see. There you go. See if I can get a control of this thing again. There we go. Alright, let's go to Skycam. My computer's doing the glitch. Look at Skycam right now. Skycam is soaked. And we just lost Sky Cam. So, uh-oh. Look at this. There's so much rain forming right now. I don't know if you can see Sky Cam. Let's go back. I want to show you something on, let's see, you're probably getting some very heavy rain Lavaca right now. Very strong winds too. Let's go to Sky Cam. I want to show you something. Look at the rain out there. Look at this. See this? That's flash flooding out there right now. That is flash flooding, which you do need to be careful of, because that could sweep your vehicle off the road. So do be careful if you're driving around out there, which I don't know why you should be. It's very heavy, very strong storms, but this is about to end. It's about to end in Greenwood. You're starting through Lavaca right now. Let's go back to our radar. Let's see. Wow. Got some major flooding going through the road right now. It's crazy. Let's see. Let's go back to, let's see. Here's our severe thunderstorm warning. I don't know why my thing is wanting to be so slow this morning. I'm trying to find out what's going on. If you're in the if you're watching YouTube, go leave a comment in the discussion category so I know what's going on. Let's just exit that out. That's probably what's going on. Chrome's probably using too much. Let's see. Let's see. Severe thunderstorm warning for Scott. It's northern Polk County too. As storm's about to move through. I already had this, and look at this. So in front of this is probably about 50 mile an hour, 60. We had probably about 45 here in Greenwood, probably 40, 45 here in Greenwood. But it was I couldn't measure it because the winds were embedded in the rain, and usually when you have those winds embedded in the rain, you could get a little more damage because you still have the winds and then you got that rain, and it's just more what's the word for it? More stronger, I guess, than if you have like dry. But I'm looking out my window right now, and there is lots of flash flooding going on right now. Let's see, there's a lot of creeks overflowing. There's a lot of flash flooding. Got a bridge out here. Looks like it's okay. Looks like that creek is going into its minor flood stage right now. That may go into moderate in a minute now. But we do have heavy rain. It's halfway through in Lavaca, so it's pretty loud in Lavaca right now with all that rain. Let's see. This is about to move through Charleston with let's see. See, it's starting to quiet down here in Green right now. Looks like the rain is about to end in Greenwood. The rain is starting here in Mansfield. Let's see. So if you're just joining us, Scott and Northern Polk, Scott, and Southern Logan County, you're under severe thunderstorm warning. This is until 1:30 p.m. and this is for 60 mile per hour wind gust. Let's see. That one has. They should probably issue a warning on this one. Looks like 65. Looks like radar is indicating at least 60, 65 mile an hour winds here in northeastern Lavaca. Yeah, northeastern Lavaca. So they may issue a warning they could issue a warning here any time now, possibly for Franklin, but that looks to be it. Just strong line. So looks like we got some heavy rain behind this too. Looks like this front got ahead of itself. Let's see here. Let's see here. So light rain's gonna go for Fort Smith now. Light rain for Barling. So the rain is all gonna end in probably about the next probably the next 30, probably an hour at least until all the rain is officially gone. The heavy rain, it looks like it's still going in Lavaca. It's going to go for about 5-10 minutes. Some strong winds starting to enter into Franklin County right now. Looks like probably about 60. I'm watching that core right there. A little core of winds right there and head of this front. Right there, just going into, let's see. Why zoom anymore? Now entering Franklin counties. Let's see here. Core winds. Let's see. So we got embedded wind and rain now about to go through Washburn. Let's see. It's like has about 45 on it. We got a severe thunderstorm warning. This is for Scott and Logan, north of Polk. Let's see here. Yeah, this one that has about 60. This is so as you can see, look at a little bit of hail out there. Probably not even recognizable hail out here in west and eastern Lavaca. Between Lavaca and Charleston. It's like we got a little bit. It looks like a little bit more heavy rain's about to come through. This right here, this is flash flooding, because if this is moving, that's just so I wouldn't be surprised if they issued a flash flood warning right in this area. And that's affecting our studios too, so hooray. Rain's about to end in Lavaca. Light rain for probably the next 30 minutes. So heavy rain starting to begin again in Greenwood. So if you live in the Greenwood area, heavy rain is starting again, probably go for the next 20-30 minutes now. And that creek I was mentioning is now in its moderate flood stage. Surprised bridge hasn't floated away yet. That's an extreme floods in, let's see here. So this is now about to move through Charleston. There's a lot of water out there. The whole pond is flooding itself. There's a lot of rain that's coming through. If you do live here near just north of Charleston, you got a core of winds embedded with this rain, and this looks to be about 60-mile-per-hour winds. So I wouldn't be surprised if they issue a severe thunderstorm warning here for southern Franklin for this core of winds right here. Heavy rain is going to be going through Greenwood for a while, so they may issue a flash flood warning. We're going to keep an eye on that. Look at this. This line's become very thin. Very, very thin. Let's see. This is just the first part of our severe weather coverage. Because we're covering, let's see, down here in southeast, we got it's like multiple tree limbs down, and electricity's flashing off. Let's see, like 69-mile-per-hour winds in northeast Texas. This line's becoming strong. So this rain will, so once this rain is all through, this rain should be done probably at around 3, maybe 2, 3 o'clock, all of it, even the light stuff. The heavy stuff, and wow. I want to show you something right now. Can we go to Skycam right now? Can we go to Skycam? Here in the control room, let's go to Skycam. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that creek in the distance, but that's in its major flood zone. Let me show you. The water is literally running from here all the way back over here. So that's probably about 8 foot of flowing water. So, and that's major flood stage, and that is crazy. Let's see if I can, yeah, okay. So we're gonna for just a few moments, we're just gonna let you sit and watch the radar. We have some strong storms about to move to Charleston and about to move to Boone. Right now, we do have a still severe thunderstorm warning going out for, let's see, this is Logan and Scott County. Let's see, I'm trying to get some pictures of my creek right now because this is insane what's going on right now. It looks like a river going through right now. And jeez. Let's see here. Heavy rain's gonna be going through. I won't be surprised if they issue a flash flood warning for Greenwood, Washburn, and Mansfield. Strong storm's about to go through Cecil right now. Let's see here. Let's see. What did I just do? Let's see. This has about 40-mile-an-hour winds on it. This looks to be done in Lavaca right now. Heavy rain could move through the area in just a second. Looks like more rain about to move through. Lavaca, there's another little piece of heavy rain about to move through. So it's just from the south, and this could cause some flash flooding too. Severe thunderstorm. This is about to move through. It's moving to Mansfield. Greenwood still going through. So heavy rain. That looks to be it at the moment. See, can we go to Skycam right now? This is what Skycam looks like right now, as that creek is wow. Let's see. Looks like it's moving to Charleston right now. It's about to move through Ozark in the next few minutes. Boonville will probably have another 10-20 minutes to go. So this line has 60-mile-per-hour winds on it. It's about to move through, let's see, not as strong as it looks like. So who knows? It's like very strong, very heavy rain up here. Let's see. So all of this should be done in all of it's done in Sallisaw Marble City. So let's see. We're gonna keep an eye on it for y'all. Heavy rain's another little bit of heavy rain's about to move through Lavaca. So if you're in the Lavaca area, just do take caution of that. Jeez, that's like a raging river out there. What, significant flood stage? Yeah, more heavy rain about to move to Lavaca. Let's see. Mulberry, you're done. Charleston, you're going to get some more heavy rain for a while. Ozark, you're about to get through this. Boonville, probably the next 10-20 minutes. Waldron, probably the next 5-10 minutes. That looks to be it at the moment, so let's go back to Skycam real quick. Look at that. That is crazy. Let's see. This looks to be done in Mulberry. Ozark's about to get through. Got some moderate heavy rain it's still going through Greenwood. It's going to last a little bit, so that looks to be at the moment. The 60-mile-an-hour wind thing out here for this warning does not look impressive. And now new severe thunderstorm warning for Polk County. Down here there actually looks to be 60-mile-an-hour winds. So it looks like let's see down here. This is Wright City, Smithville. Let's see. That's better. Let's see here. Got some strong storms moving through the area right now. Let's put the radar into motion, and we're going to take a short break real quick. We're going to take a short break. We're going to put the radar into motion, and we're going to take a short break. Alright, so it looks like that is to be. Looks like the light to moderate rain now in Greenwood. God, I just did the wrong thing. Still got some heavy moderate rain here in Vaca, moderate rain Charleston, heavy rain. Now it looks like a line's now moving through Washburn, Abbott, Mansfield's about to be done. Waldron's about to move through. Boonville, it's about to move through with probably 40, 50 mile an hour winds. Looks like so Coxville, it's about to move through Coxville with about 50 mile an hour winds. Ozark, you're about to get it. Rain's done and light rain falling in Fort Smith, Packett, and Barling. Let's see. Was it at 16? That was like 3 hours ago, right? And that looks to be all. Look at those warnings. It looks to be going through. Let's see. This is a good old line moving through. This line looks so later tonight. This all clear through. Let's go. Let's see. Let's go back to our iCam. Let's go to iCam, and I'm gonna see if I can. Look at that river. Look at that creek. Call it a river because it looks like a creek. We're just gonna check a look at iCam real quick, and then I'm gonna go back. Let's see. Let's see. Probably can see the pressure. Sure. Let's see, no, it's still. We only picked up. I mean, in the dry part of the winds, we only picked up probably about 16 mile an hour. In the this strong part, it was about 35, 40. It did It did throw some debris through the property. I could throw that bucket. It's full of water already. That creek is already full. Let's see, let's go to our localized sectors. I see there is our line right there. Look off to your west. It's where it ends. It's where the sunshine is. Let's see, 1657. So in about an hour or so, we'll start seeing some sunshine. See, there's a big cloud right here. See, this is our satellite, as you can see. Let's see sunshine off to our west. Finally. Okay. Go to our radar. There you go. There we go. Okay, so it's about to move through Boonville. This has about 40 mile an hour. There's a big pocket of coral winds up here, about 55. Let's see. It's about to go through. Oh, there's some strong winds on it. About to go through Waldron. Let's see. See, probably. Just now in Ozark, got to go. Just gonna go through Paris in a little bit. Probably Boonville. Paris, you'll probably see about 50 mile, 5. And you scan. Looks like bad winds has probably. Look at this. This core winds has probably about 55, 60 mile an hour winds on it. Rain is done in Sallisaw for sure. I think Sallisaw's clear. Let's see. Yeah, it's about to be done. To clear in Sallisaw. Let's go to Skycam. Skycam shows the creek is flowing. Good lord. There you go. Let's see. Rain is about to be done in Greenwood. Have some light rain about to move. More light rain. Probably hear all that lightning and thunder. Big, huge river moving through the creek right now as it's at its major flood stage. Washing out that part. Well, that dam I built did not work. If you have any wind damage out there, I don't know if there would be, but if you have any wind damage, please share it on the comments in the discussion section. Just share it so I know what's going on. And if you have any damage, if you can, send it to me, Gmail. If you can, email me it at lhsweather@gmail.com if you have any damage reports out there. We'd love to see them. It's not good, but we'd love to see them. So we can report it too. So we can report it on here too. Right now, line's about to move through Boonville. Let's shift our gears over to Boonville right now. Just saw a big flash lightning out the window. Let's see. See, it's about to be 45, probably 50 mile an hour winds here, about to move to Boonville with heavy rain. So let's see. You're under severe thunderstorm warning. So. Very strong rain, very strong storms out moving through the area. Let's see. Let's go to our analyzer and see what it looks like. Wow, look at this. That's what analyzer shows. Let's see what this shows. Probably show the winds out there. Yeah, those winds coming through. Temperatures have probably dropped. Let's see. That looks to be it. Another cell moving through Lavaca. Very small. Light rain. Light rain looks to be it. Rain's about to be totally done in Roland. It's about to be totally done in Podo. These storms are about to move through Coal Hill, Paris. Move through Waldron right now. About to move through Mena. Let's see. So Clarksville probably has another 10. Let's see. Let's do a track real quick. Jeez. Probably another. Oh, it's moving pretty fast. So probably another 20 minutes and 25 minutes for Clarksville. This should be in Russellville in about, let's see, Boonville. It is pouring, probably loud in Boonville right now. It should be in Russellville in about an hour. Let's see. That looks to be it. It's done in Fayetteville, Huntsville, Bentonville. Let's see, it's about to go through Paris right now. Paris, you're going to see probably about 40 mile an hour winds. Magazine, let's see, Mount Magazine. Up on the mountain, Blue Mountain, Mount Magazine, you're probably going to see about 55. Probably about 55 mile an hour winds. Let's see. Should be in Danville probably about an hour, less than an hour. And looks like we got a tornado warning. This is for central and western Logan County. Okay, let's shift our gears and go on to this tornado warning. Tornado warning, this is for Magazine, Blue Mountain, this is for Mount Magazine, Waveland, Havana. This is until, this is only radar indicated rotation. This is until 1:45. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know what my radar is wanting to do right now. What is this one doing? I don't know what my radar is doing. What is this doing? Let's see. Till we can get this to actually load. Just a second. Finally. Let's see. So rotation will be right there. Let's go to 4 panels. Who knows if we can run 4 panels. Let's see. Rotation's done. Oh my gosh. Can't get anything done. Let's see. This could be. Could that be like a spin up? No. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, rotation here. So we got a tornado warning. This is for Logan County. We're going to stay on the air for this. Let's go back to 1 panel right now. There we go. That's better. Let's go to, yeah. So it'd be right there. Let's go back to 2 panels. I think we'd be better at 2 panels. Let's see, is there any hail with this? This looks like some hail up here. Probably pea-sized at least. Potential severe hail is... oh, nothing. See a rotation. Small rotation. So we need to keep an eye on this. So let's keep an eye on this right here. Let's go to our Skycam. Skycam shows rain still falling, Greenwood and all that. So we got tornado warning for Logan County right now. Let's see. A lot of flooding going on out here. It's like that creek has calmed down a little bit. It's good. If you do have any damage reports, please send it. Let's see. So that's going to be in your magazine. Over magazine. Let's see. Alright. Some 55-mile-an-hour winds probably going into Driggs right now. It's about to go up Mount Magazine, which is like right here. Let's see. So, right there. Should go 16. See, sun. Okay, now the sunshine's over there. Looks like some rain's about in Fort Smith. Some more light rain moving to Greenwood. Let's see. Let's see. Looks like it's going through Waldron right now. Let's see. It looks like this is starting to hook into itself. So, let's see. And let's see. Yeah. Let's see, and this looks like it's weekend. I don't see anything on this. I wouldn't be surprised if they canceled it. Yep, there he goes. Looks like they canceled that because the weekend. We still got some strong winds out there. 155 mile an hour. This is going through Paris, about to go through Subiaco, Scranton, Clarksville, Lamar, about to Russellville probably next 30 minutes. About to go through Mount Magazine. Let's see. Still got some light rain. Lavaca, looks like it's all done in Fort Smith right now. About to be done. Bacola, Ramina. This fifth thunderstorm warning line all the way down here. Good grief. Stronger storms I bet they're here, but who knows? Strong winds are about to be, looks like 60, about 60 mile per hour winds are about to move through Subiaco right now. So if you're in Subiaco, live there, about 60 mile an hour winds in bed in this rain about to move through. So do go inside and be careful. This could be very dangerous. Let's see. So I wouldn't be surprised they issued a warning right there for southern Johnson and western or eastern Logan. Let's see. Yeah, they issued the warning right there. However, looks like it's just to the south. Let's see. Is that Yell County? Yeah, it's Yell. Yeah, it's Yell. Pope County. Wow. Let's see. So let's see here. Yeah, it's 60. Yeah, they may want to issue this one for right there too. They probably may not. I don't know. Looks like Havana, Danville, Ola, Dardanelle, and Russellville's in this. Let's see. Heavy rain still falling in Paris, Boonville, light rain in Charleston. Looks like it's about to be done in Greenwood, Barling. It's nice. Is it clear? Is it clear out in Sallisaw? It'll be in about 20 minutes. I can't see when that thing comes on. What is the point of that? You can actually see these storms blowing up. Yeah, clear is not far away. Yep. So guys, storms about to move through Clarksville, Scranton, done, Ozark, Mulberry, and Charleston, Greenwood, Barling, Vaca, Hartford, Mansfield. Still going through Mina. Decoying, you're about to get a little bit of it. It's like a radar thing is down there. Look at this. North of Mina. Let's see. Oof. Maybe 65 on that? They like rotation. Oh gosh, why is everything out of load? Probably gonna watch this one. Oh gosh. They may issue tornado warning this one. This is just east of Rich Mountain, north of Mina. This is going, looks like it's going to Y City and Bowles. This looks like it's taking the same path that other tornado warning did. I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. They may issue warning on it. Let's see. Heavy Rain Magazine. About to be done in Paris. Subiaco, you're probably getting those winds right now. Let's see. Magazine, you're definitely getting it. Those winds are about to come up the mountain, and they're gonna roar. It probably looks cool up on the mountain. Who knows? Let's see. On the air for probably like an hour or so. I don't know. Let's see. Rain's totally done Fort Smith. I'll watch this one down here. This may actually be rotating. Yeah, a little bit. It's not as well defined. I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. Let's see. Let's see what this looks like in 3D. Yeah, let's see. Well, that's cool. That's what it looks like in 3D. It's really cool. Let's see. Let's put that. Zoom in that. I'll have to go over here. Let's see. Come on. There you go. Let's see. Let's see. If I have rain, probably a pocket of hail there. Yeah. Good grief, what is this thing's problem? Here we go. This is probably about pea-size hail. Let's see. It's about to move through Havana. About to go up the mountain right now. Looks like they canceled that warning down there. I'd agree. It wasn't as strong as it looks like. But, yeah, they canceled that warning for Scott and Polk County. It's weakening. So let's keep an eye on that. On this right now. Subiaco, you're getting it for sure right now. About to move through Clarksville, Knoxville, Russellville. You're under warning right now, so do careful. I want to switch to our Little Rock radar in a little bit. Let's see. This line stretches for a long ways up there. Let's see here. So I'm going to keep an eye on this one right here. It's starting to move out of the area, so threat's diminishing for our area. Looks like they're issuing something else. I wonder if it's that for that rotation. Let's see. Nope. Yep. And there, and it looks like they just reissued this warning. They just reissued this warning. I guess they thought they could have, they needed it back. Who knows? Yep. This isn't getting near Texarkana. It's down there. Hey, that's pretty good. Okay, let's go back to these warnings. Let's see. Looks like probably about 35, 60 mile an hour winds. Let's see, Scranton. Scranton, you're about to get this. Probably, good grief. Probably about 60, 65 mile an hour winds. I know you're about to get it though. Blue Mountain's coming through Blue Mountain right now. It's starting to come up the mountain now. Let's see. That could do something if you get all that. That could explode storms. We'll have to watch that. I've seen in the summertime where the strong southerly winds will go up the mountain and they'll just lift and the storms will just blow up on Mount Magazine. That's really cool. Yeah, let's keep watching that. Looks like the rain's now done, about to be done barreling. Let's see. Okay, there's some rain showers out there. A few. So this is the rain right now that's falling is the last round that's going to be for the next few days. Let's go to Skycam and I will show you. It's cool to watch these storms just come by and then see how quick they are already on the other side of the viewing area so quick. And I guess they moved the iCam because that's what is that? I guess they moved the iCam because now I guess the iCam was pushed because
now severe weather coverage with Austin.
Yep. Alright, so if you're just joining us, looks like most of the severe weather is out of our area, but we're still watching it. Still watching some heavy rain here in Boone. Why am I moving my screen? That's so cool. Let's see. We're still watching some moderate to heavy rain out here in Booneville. Rain's moving out of Charleston right now. It's about light. Let's see. Magazine, you're still getting this. The strongest part of these storms are starting to get into central Arkansas now. They're still not out of our viewing area, so we're still going to do some coverage. Let's see. It feels like it's moving slow. It feels like it's not even moving at all in Waldron. It seems like it's been at this position for the last 20 minutes now. Let's see. Let's see. It's about to move through. Let's see. Where is Mena? It's done in Mena. It still hasn't gotten to Danville yet. Neither Dardanelle. Russellville, you're under warning. You better look out. It's coming. It's coming quick. It's moving at like 45, 50 mile an hour. And it has some winds on it for sure. Clarksville, you're in this right now. Probably heavy rain, Clarksville. Greenwood, you're done. Van Buren, you're done. Alma, you're done. Lavaca, still some light rain shower out there, but you're almost done out of this all rain. Let's see. This is now up the mountain. Up the mountain we go. Oh gosh, I couldn't come up with a rhyme for that one. Go up the mountain, come back down, the winds get even stronger, here we go. That was horrible. I shouldn't have said that. Okay, so it looks like some strong winds, probably about 65 mile an hour winds about to come through Knoxville. with very heavy rain, so do be careful. Let's see. Let's see. And most of the weather is out of our area right now. Let's see. This is where it all is right now. So, yep, it's done. It's just bad. It's better than what it was. Let's see, what time did I come through? Like 12? I don't know. Let's see, let's refresh this. I think this is old satellite imagery. There we go. That. Got some sun about to come through Fayetteville. And there it is. There's that cloud line. I think the power's blinking. I'm not for sure. May just be me. There's our cloud line right there. Clears to the west. Woohoo. Let's see. So, not so sunny out to your east. If you're in Russellville, you're under a severe thunderstorm warning. Also for Danville, Mount Magazine, Blue Mountain. It's about to be done in Boonville. Still got some light rain, moderate rain coming through. Subiaco still got a little bit of heavy rain that's gonna move through. About to get through in Fort Douglas, Hagerville, Knoxville, London, Delaware, Russellville. Let's see. It's going through Waldron right now. Finally, it's going through Waldron. Y-City, it's in Board Camp, Big Fork. Let's see, is there any other place it's going to start coming through? Mount Ida. Hot Springs is probably about the next hour or so. Let's see. It's a long ways out there. Let's see. Let's see here. We're gonna go off coverage in about a little bit. Storm ocean this warning. It's moving out of Logan County now. Let's see. This will be in Russellville in probably about the next 40 minutes. Alkins probably the next 45 minutes. Let's see, Danville. Let's see, probably wondering when we're gonna get this. Probably not the next 15-20 minutes. Let's see. Should be in about Hot Springs in probably about 45-50 minutes. Let's see. Clarksville. Let's see. Should be in Conway in probably what, next hour or so. It should be way